Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here we are with a new video showing you how to replace your oil seal or the water pump seal of NS200. So coolant mixing with your engine oil is one of the common issues faced by all the NS200 owners. In order to get access to the water pump, we have to first unbolt all the 5 bolts holding the water pump cover and also remove 2 bolts holding the water pump hose. So once you remove that, you can remove the cover and get access to the impeller. Make sure that the 2 O-rings of water pump and also the water pump hose are intact. If you see any crack or breakage of O-rings, ensure that the O-rings are replaced immediately, else there will be a leakage of coolant. Once you remove the water pump cover, now you will get access to the impeller. The impeller is mounted with 10 number nut which has to be undone. Once you remove the 10 number nut, you can see a metal washer, and once you remove the washer, you can remove the impeller. So once you remove the impeller, you can get access to the oil seals. There will be 2 oil seals facing opposite each other. So in order to remove these 2 oil seals, use a flathead screwdriver and slowly and gently pry it out. Ensure that you do not scratch or break the interior machine surface of the engine. If you do so, there will be a coolant leakage. After successfully removing the 2 old oil seals, now let's replace it with a new one. As you can see, I have purchased a new oil seal from nearby Bajaj spare parts store. The part number is 36JL0039. The costing is around 300 rupees and you can buy it from any nearby Bajaj spare parts store. So in order to install these 2 oil seals, lube it with the engine oil and punch this as shown in the video. Ensure that the 2 oil seals are facing opposite direction. seals, you will be getting an impeller. Install the new impeller and put the washer back and tighten the 10 number nut. After tightening the impeller, put the water pump cover back. Tighten all the 5 bolts and also ensure you connect the water pump hose back and tighten it with 2 bolts. Once you're done with all the process, it's time to flush the system with distilled water. This is an optional step where you may choose not to do so. As you can see, I'm filling the radiator with distilled water and waiting for all the water to drain out. Once all the distilled water is drained out, put the coolant drain bolt back and tighten it with 8 number spanner. The next step is to fill the radiator with new coolant. I am using Castrol Radicool here, which is recommended by Bajaj. You can also use Motul Inugel or Motul Motocool, which is a premium segment coolant from Motul. I'll leave the link for purchasing these coolants in the description below. After filling around 750 to 800 ml in the radiator, fill the remaining coolant in the coolant expansion tank. Don't worry if your coolant level is exceeding the maximum set level in the expansion tank, as any extra coolant will be sucked into the radiator once the air escapes out of the system. I hope this video is informative enough. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel.